Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Ochet. Last time we were able to complete our GA, isn't it? We were able to complete our GA. So today we are going to be moving into what? Into ProtaStructure. Is that okay? So we are going to go into what? ProtaStructure. As you can see, this is our ProtaStructure interface, and we are going to be using a ProtaStructure 2022. Is that okay? ProtaStructure 2022, which means what we have done here now in AutoCAD, we are going to bring it to what? To ProtaStructure. And also, after the last time, so I make a little adjustment to our column. Is that okay? So this one was not here before, so I provided this one. Is that okay? So that is that, and also this one was there before, so we have all the rest before. Is that okay? And here everything was okay as we did before. It's only just around this place that I make some adjustment, a little adjustment. Okay, so let's now proceed and see what we have. Is that okay? Let's proceed and see what we have around here. Is that okay? So let's proceed. And looking at this place now, so it has been explained last time, so we are going to shift it to this side. Is that okay? Let's shift this one to this other side, which we are going to do. Is that okay? All right, so let's proceed. Okay, getting to this place now in this interface, which is ProtaStructure. For me to import my DSF drawing, I'll come to this place called external reference drawing, and I want to say at this junction, so that you not forget, we want to appreciate those who have been liking our video and also subscribing, telling others about Ekidel, and also, not only that, commenting. Is that okay? Also sharing their own opinion, their own ideas and things like that, and where they also want us to clarify things like that. We want to say thank you so much. Is that okay? The more they like, the more it will make this video to go viral, and the more people receive help. Is that okay? All right, so I'll come to this place now and click on what? External reference drawing. Click on external reference drawing, and let's wait for it to appear. Now getting to this particular place now, I'll come here and click on what? Add. Is that okay? You can see DSF add. I'll click on it, and once I click on it, we'll wait for it. So I'll come to my desktop, and let's see where I save it. You can see for T1, open it. Can you see? And the DSF, click on it and come here and click on what? On open, and let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to appear, and from there we proceed. Is that okay? All right, let's wait for it. I don't know why it's delaying, so let's wait for it. Okay, so here we are. So you can see it. I'll now come here and click on active. Then I'll come here and make it what? Use color. Click on it. I want all the colors to appear. I'll come here now and click on import. Click on this import, and a dialog box will now appear for us to import our columns and our grids. So if you look at this place now, we have what? Add. We have member, we have layer. So under layer, I'll come here now. That's for the grids. I'll come here. We use what? Ant grid line. That's Ant G. That means grid line. Is okay? That was what we use in our AutoCAD when we were about saving it. So I'll click on OK. Then come to column also, and C. Is that okay? That's what we use. Click on it. Once those one have been done, I'll come to this place and click on what? Import. So we click on import, and therefore let's wait for it to generate everything for us. Let's wait for it. So it's still loading. Let's wait for it. So let's wait for it. It's still coming up. It's coming up. Let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see it on the background. So I can now click on what? On close, and then I'll now say finally I'll click on what? On close. Is that okay? So you can now see what we have. Our drawing, you can now see what we have. So all our columns are positioned. So let's confirm 225 by 450. Is that okay? 225 by 450. They are all giving us what we have planned for, isn't it? So that is fine. Then I will now come here now. The next thing, now since all our columns are in position, the next thing is to begin to connect my beams. Is that okay? To begin to connect my beams. Is that okay? So let's check something first. If you look at this, We have an axis here. What is this axis for? It has no function. Is that okay? It has no function. So let's see how we can remove those axes that are not functioning. Is that okay? So let me say, let's see, delete. Okay, that have been deleted because it has no function. What about here also? This one has no function too. So I'll come here now. Let me see, there's a place, remove axis, remove axis. So I'll come to review. You can see delete unused axis, click on it. Okay, this and this, I'll click on OK. Alright, that's fine. So those axes are not important. So let me see this one. Okay, can you see this one have gone? Those ones that are not okay. Oh, we have deleted this one. We have deleted this one, but no problem. And even this one too. We have deleted this one, no problem. We will find a way around it. Is that okay? Okay, even this one too. Even this one. We are having this thing here, so we have deleted it, so no problem. Okay, we can draw our this thing manually. Let's now begin to connect it first. Is that okay? Let's connect them first. Is that okay? Very important. Let's connect them first. Okay, what about this one? Okay, it's for this. Okay, that's fine. So I'll come here now, come to my modeling. I'll come to beam. Is that okay? So from beam now, let's wait for beam properties to appear. Okay, so you can see our beam is going to be what? Okay, 225 by 450. So that's my column. So my width will be what? 225. Then my depth, I'm also starting with what do you call it, 450 first. 450 beam depth. Where there's need for increment, I will definitely do that. Is that okay? All right. So now I'll come here now from this point to this point intersection. Let's wait for it. The first beam insertion normally takes time a little, so let's wait for it. After that, the rest will be very fast. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Okay, can you see it now? It has given us what we want. So I also come to this place now. Click on this. Is that okay? I also come here. This one now, I will not do it now, isn't it? I will not do this one for now. So because there's a beam here, this is the primary beam, isn't it? So which means I have to do this one first. I'm looking at this span here. I have to use a bigger depth. Is that okay? 600. Let me use 600 from here. Is that okay? So to this point here. So if you look at the span, divide by what? Based on Thorne's rule. Is that okay? So you look at the span, divide by 12 or 15. Is that okay? So whatever it gives you become your beam depth here you're going to use. But for now, I want to use 600. Is that okay? Because of all this other load. Is that okay? And come to this place also. I'm going to do the same thing. So I'll come to this place also. This span also. I'm going to use the same thing. Is that okay? So in this case also, I'm going to do the same thing here. Yes, I'm going to do the same thing here. And also coming to this place now. This place I can use a 450. I can use a 450. Is that okay? I'll come here now, use 450. Okay. Also come to this place, the same 450 can be used all through. Yes, I can jump this one. Let me come here, put it here. How many columns am I having here? So I'll check. Is that okay? So this one also. Is that okay? So I'll stop here for now. Let me escape. Is that okay? How many columns are we having here? Let me look at the parameter here. From here to here, no. This one, we don't need this one, which is this one. Let me delete. Okay, let's delete. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I'll come here now. Let's proceed. Let me take the properties of this, double click on it, and let the property come up. So I can now draw this one now. Looking at this one also, I want to make it a 600. Is that okay? No, let's leave it at 400, 450. For now, I'll come here now, click on this. Is that okay? Then come here also. I will not just increase the beam depth just anyhow. Is that okay? So let me see. Axis intersection correct. Okay. Okay. Let's continue. I think yes, is there any beam here? No. So let's proceed from here also to this point here. Then also to this point here. Okay, then to this point here. Is that okay? So come here again from this point to this point here, then escape from this point here to this point here. Is that okay? And also from there to this point here, and also from here, from this point to this point. Okay, then escape. I have this one here, but for now we are going to confirm. Is that okay? From AutoCAD. Is that okay? So let's proceed first from this point to this point here. Is that okay? Then also to this point. This one we are thinking of changing it. Is that okay? Changing this position. Is that okay? Changing it from here to this particular place. Is that okay? We are thinking of changing this particular position here, because this one become a cantilever and this one come to this place. Okay, it can work. This one becomes a cantilever to this side. Am I correct? If this one becomes a cantilever, becomes a cantilever here, then this one also coming here cantilever, and this one come and rest on this, and this one also have this one like this. So I will escape now. I will escape. Let me use this this particular axis. This one has no function here, so I will just use only small axis here. I'm going to delete this. Is that okay? I'm going to delete this particular column. Is that okay? So I'll just come here now, choose pick this axis. Let's come up. Then from here, I just draw it. We don't do it. Need it all through. Yes, I need it all through. Maybe to some place like this. Click on this one here. Okay, then click on it. Right click. Drag it or no? Stretch from here a little downward. Correct. Okay, so I have this one, so I can now come here now. This one is for what? Okay, it's for both. Is that okay? It's for both up and down. So we can, which means we can decide to, if you like, can leave it. Is that okay? You can leave it. Is that okay? So let me take this one now. Properties of this one. Let it come up. Properties of this one, and let me insert it here. Come here and insert. That's fine. Escape, then click on this one, then delete it. Is that okay? So I think it's okay like this way for me. So click on this one, right click, and then come to property. Then from this point now, I have it to this point. That is fine. Okay, so I can now have this one now like this. Can you see it now? It's okay. So, and also I have we have this axis and this one. Is that okay? So this one, remember this particular beam. Is that okay? All right, come here now, have it here. Is that okay? So we are going to confirm this. I think there's also a beam here. Yes, there's a beam here around here, but we'll confirm it later. So I'll come here now. This one becomes a cantilever to this. Is that okay? And this one come here. Is that okay? Correct. And then move again to this point here. Okay, so you have to take your time and do. You don't rush it. Is that okay? You don't rush it. You have to get it very well. Is that okay? To this point here, and also I can just draw it all too straight to this point here. Okay, that's fine. Then also right click, come here now, from this point to this. Why am I having double here? So let me just fix it here first. Okay, escape. Which of them is single? Okay, this one. Remove this one. Correct. So take the property of this by double clicking, and from here I have this one here. Okay, that is fine. I'm going to tell you what is going to happen here in the course of the class. Is that okay? Okay, so I'll come here now from this point now to this point, and also to this point here, intersection point, because if they are not intersecting properly, is that okay, it can also lead to increasing your beam unnecessarily. Is that okay? It will require you increase your beam unnecessarily. So come here now and turn to 600. Is that okay? You remember this span here, 600. Okay, also come here, also the same thing. We have a 600. Also come here again, that we have the same thing here, 600. Okay, and finally to this point also 600. Is that okay? All right, so come here again. I'll turn this one now from 600 to 450 now. 450. Is that okay? 450. I'll come here now, run this one like this. This one comes here this way. Is that okay? Then also this one, How did this one go? I think it goes like this. We'll come back to this place. We said we are going to run it all through. We will shift it. Is that okay? They have to shift it. They have to shift it. Is that okay? I think this one come this way. I think this one is like this. No, it's not possible. Let's have it here. All through. Is that okay? You can see this small space here. But during construction, it will be taken care of. Is that okay? So that is that. For now, let's follow here. Come here like this. Is that okay? Then come here now. This one, sorry, this one's from here. This one's from here. From here to this point here. I'm coming. Where is it? This particular one. Okay, yes, it's this one. Okay, then escape. Then come here again from this point now to this one here. Is that okay? And also this point here. This point here, and also this point here. Is that okay? This one's supposed to be 450, not 6 something. Is that okay? So come here now, and also to this point here. Is that okay? So also again from this point now to this point here. Can you see it now that the architect did this one properly? Is that okay? I think we're supposed to have a column here. We need a column here. Is that okay? We need a column here because we are going to have a beam that is going to run here. Is that okay? A beam here that we use this one, this two, and this one here to have this one. So we check our GA. Is that okay? So come here now and have this one like this. This is what we are having, and come here again to this one, then escape, then come here again to this point here. Okay, that's fine. Then this one is clear. It's clear for us, so we can come here, click on this. Okay, come here again, click on this. Okay, in this aspect now we are done. So we have something like this here also, from here to this beam here. Okay, that is fine. Escape. Then we have this one also from this point to this point. Sorry, let's reduce this beam. Sorry, let me delete this beam. Let me delete this beam. Click on this, right click and property. It's actually supposed to be 450. 450. Then update it. Correct, flush. Can you see it now? That's flushed. And this one, where is that one? I think we have another one. Correct, this one. Property. And turn it to 450. Update. Correct. Click on this. Okay, something's happening here. Okay, was it supposed to give us a result? This one is flushing, this one is, okay, let me undo it. Undo. Okay, I think it was less than this, and this one also. Let me undo this one. Okay, so we'll come back to that. Is that okay? We'll come back to that. So let me pick the property of this one. Double click. I have this one here. Okay, I also have this one here. Okay, now let me see. Delete. Let me see from here. From this point to this point. No. No. Yes, correct. Come here again. From this point to this point here. No. Okay, then come here again. From here to this point here. Is that okay? Let me see. No, let me delete. I'm using the last one. From this point to this point here. No, I'm not splitting, it's just a single beam. So come here now. This one here also, and come here. Let me see. Sorry. Escape. Come here now. Okay, and come here and fix it here. No. Why it's showing you that is because there's this small axis here, these two axes. It's trying to split it. Is that okay? That's why I said no. Is that okay? Alright, that's fine. So come here now, from here now to this point. Okay, come here also, the end here, and say no. Right click, and also come here again from this point now to this point here, and say no. Is that okay? Proper support. So come here now from this point to this point, and escape. Is that okay? Okay, so let's now see what else again. What else again? We are going to come back to this place, and this place I think we are having a beam here, which you said we are going to check. Is that okay? We are going to take it one after the other from our AutoCAD. Is that okay? And let's see what we are having. Are we going to make use of this? Our answer is, let's check, let's confirm. So I'll go to my AutoCAD. Is that okay? So what I will do now, what we will do now, let me see how I can divide this screen. Move this one side, do it this way, correct? Okay, that's fine. So can you see it now? Okay, I've not done this side. I'll come here now. Let me put this one here first. Okay, and also through this place first, and also from here to this point also. Okay, close properly. So I'll bring my AutoCAD, escape once, or right click, then bring my AutoCAD up. Now let's look at it. So we have this one already. Is that okay? We have this one already. We have this one already. Then this one here is this one, and this one here is this one. Can you see how we are going? Then this one here, this particular one here is this one here, isn't it? So coming here again, this one here is this one, and this one here is this one. Can you see it? You can see how we are confirming it. Is that okay? Which is very important. So I'll come here again. Where is it? Okay, we have done this one, we have done this one. Then we have this column here, this one and this one, which is this one here, and we have this one all through. Can you see it here? All through. So in this place sorry, come here now, fix this one here. You can see this is how you go about it, comparing your AutoCAD with your what you have modeled. Is that okay? Okay, so that is that. And then the next one to this shear wall is this one to all through. Is this one all through? So this place we don't have it. Can you see it now? Correct. Then let's go further. Then after that, coming to this place now, we have this side of shear wall from here to this point here. Can you see this one here, which is this one here, isn't it? Then after that, there's space in between. Okay, we have this one here. Can you see along the shear wall? There's something we have here, which is this one. Can you see it now? So you can ask what we have here now, isn't it? So we can see what we have here. So which means we need a what? We need a beam here, isn't it? We need a beam here. We are going to provide that beam. So let me come here now, right click, and let's provide the axis. Is that okay? This time around the axis is going to run, because we also need it for this. Is that okay? The axis is going to run. I'll come here now, come and pick this grid from here now all through to this. Perfect. Okay, so I can now take the properties of this. Is that okay? And come here now and fix this one here. Is that okay? We will still check it. Is that okay? We will still confirm something, because we are still going to be having a beam around this place. Is that okay? We will see what we can do so that we don't have too much beam, 3 beams around this point here. Is that okay? Not that I will not carry it, but let's just see what we are going to be having. Is that okay? So for now, so I'll come here now. So we have this one already. Then after which we have this one in between. Where is it? I'm coming. Okay, this is where we stopped. And we have this one, which is this one. Then after that we have this one, after which we have this one and this one. Okay, we have one here, we have one here. There's a reason for this, I believe so, when we are doing our GA. Okay, no, we are not using this. This is what we are using. Is that okay? We say we are not using this one, we are going to make use of this one. Is that okay? This two, which is okay, this one and this one, that's perfect. Is that okay? And after which we have this other side also opposite of this. We also have something like this here. Yes, correct. We are going to make use of this and this one, because if you look at this place, if you look at what we are having here, let me see on the next floor. Can you see what we have here is the same thing we have here, isn't it? It's what we have here, we have here. So automatically I will go down to this place now, to this place. Where is it? Because that's what makes us to have this one, isn't it? So I'm going to have this one and this one. Is that okay? This one and this one. So I'll come here now, which means this one is not needed. It's this two and this two we are using, isn't it? So this column and this one here, opposite, yes, correct. Where is it? This one and this one, yes, correct. So this one here, let me see, escape. Is that okay? I'll do it again. From this point to this point here and say no. Is that okay? And also from this point to this point and say no. Is that okay? So which now make us to during our slab now, we can use the slab to achieve this. Is that okay? Which is very okay. Is that okay? So our slab is going to be sitting on this. Is that okay? This one now, there will be no what do we call it? It's not going to be putting. We are going to put in a wall here. It's going to be on this door. When we get to second floor, we will see what we have there. Is that okay? All right. Let me bring it up again. Okay, which is on an oversight here. Is that okay? And this one, we have this one here. Okay. Then let's see. This one, we have this. We have shifted this one to this one. This is what we are using, isn't it? So automatically, which is this one, which is on this. Okay, like this is okay. We are not using this one. Is that okay? So that is that. And then we come here. No, we said we are using this one. We said let's look at the next floor. Let's look at the next floor. Okay, you can see this wall. Yes, you can see these two walls. We say we are using it. We are using both. Is that okay? We are making use of the both. Is that okay? We are making use of it. So I have to fix that one there. Then come here again. Okay. I haven't done that now. So I haven't done that. We have drawn this one, which is also the same thing with this. Okay, we are done with this one. We are done with this. So with this where we are here, that's this point. We have shifted this one to this point here. We have shifted this one to this point here. Am I correct? Yes. See this column? It was here before. Let's confirm. I'm coming. Let's confirm this. So there's a issue here. We are not supposed to have deleted this particular column. So let's return it back. Let's return it back, because if you look at this now, if you look at on this place, is that okay? In this place, we are going to provide a beam here. We are not using this, which is this one. We are not using this, which is this particular one. Is that okay? This one we are using. Is that okay? Because if you look at this particular column here, this particular wall, we are supposed to have a wall here. This one, if I now go to the next floor, can you see it? Which we are saying that is going to carry our load, wall load, isn't it? So automatically, what we are supposed to do is this one and this one, is this place and this place, which is here, which is this one and this one. Do you see it now? So let's rectify that. Is that okay? Let's now rectify that. Sorry for that. So that's why you need to be comparing what you are doing. Is that okay? Let me take the property of this and let me put it here back. And put it here back. Then click on this. Then delete this column. Is that okay? Let's delete this one now. Let's just delete this. Okay, sorry, undo. Okay. So let me delete this one now. Right now, so that I will not make mistake. Come here now. This is where we want it. Is that okay? Perfect. Okay, very good. So and also this one now. Is that okay? This one now. Okay. So then this one will now be deleted. Perfect. So now this one now we have this one. We cannot leave this one like this, isn't it? So I'll click on this, then remove it. Is that okay? Why am I deleting the column? So delete this one, the beam. Correct. So now take the properties of this and come here and put it here. Correct. So this one now serves as what? As a cantilever. Is that okay? Let me delete this one. No. Let me delete this one. Delete this one. Then bring up the property of this. Bring this one here to this point. Give me a cantilever. Correct. And this one here, both supported. Okay. So I'll now come here now. Escape. And make this place both supported. Is that okay? Let me delete this one also. I'm coming. Let me delete this one first. Then delete this one. Then take the properties of this, because I'm supposed to have a cantilever symbol here. Is that okay? Correct. So I'll now come here now. Click on this. Correct. So I'll now click on this one now. This one. Double click on this. No, sorry. Right click on this. Click on this. Click on this. Right click. Come to both ends supported. Both ends supported. Click on this one now, and let's wait for it. Can you see? This one is showing us cantilever, which is to carry this one, and this one is also showing cantilever carrying this one. So this one now is resting on both sides, isn't it? So that's fine. Okay, so I think we are getting it perfectly well. Can you see? We are getting it perfectly well. So this one now, can you see this one? What we have here now? Can you see it? That's what we are having here. And this one that runs through, can you see it? This also we are having it here. Then we now have this one, which is this one. Good and fine. Then coming to this place also, coming to this place, I think the same thing happened here. The same thing will happen here. Can you see it? The same thing will happen here. which is this place now. Is that okay? The same thing will happen here, not here. We are not supposed to have this one here. Is that okay? We are not supposed to have this one here. Click on this, delete it, then take the properties of this. From here also, from this to this, no. Okay, so that is fine. Let me bring up the AutoCAD also. Let's confirm. This one, the same thing, condition here is what we have here, and this one runs all through at the back here, which is this one here. So now this particular shape can be formed on the slab. If we have a beam like this, is that okay? If you have a beam like this place can be formed using slab. Is that okay? All right. And this one we already have it here, which is this place here now. Can you see which is this particular place? This one here. If you look at it, can you see all through, which is all through beam? Can you see it? All through beam. Is that okay? And this particular one come here to stop here, which is this one come here to stop here, and this one also from here like this. So that is fine. So if you now look at it now, we have perfectly modeled this particular stage, isn't it? So now I'll click on the come here now. Let's come out from our shear wall. Is that okay? Let's also get our shear wall. So which means we need axis. We need our axis on this particular place. We already have this one. Remain this horizontal axis, which we don't have. So I'll come here now, come to modeling, come to axis, and pick my axis. Let me pick from here to this point here. Correct. So that is fine. And also we need on this part. Is that okay? We need along this part here. Is that okay? Let me escape. Now AutoCAD, what do we have? From our AutoCAD, let me come here. Let me maximize this. From our AutoCAD, what do we have? What's the size of our wall? Sorry, you're supposed to have exploded this from this point to this point. Okay, sorry. Let me just remove it. Let me click on this. Let me escape. Click on this. Remove it. Let's wait for it. Correct. So let me have this one now. From this point, if I get it right, no, it should be, let me see. Let's see from here to here. Can you see 2 to 5? Is that okay? 2 to 5. So I'll come here now. Come here, pick this one, right click and offset it, or offset, where is it? Offset axis. I'll put at this edge here first. Is that okay? Put at this edge first, then click on the right click and click on also offset. I can, because at times if you want to move it, it might drag your, what do you call it? It might drag your drawings. Is that okay? So half of a 2 to 5 is what? 112, sorry, F2. My F2 first, then 112.5, enter. Correct, which is this one. So I'll click on this one now, click on this, delete it. Perfect. So this one now I don't need to be all through, so click on it, right click and click on what? On drag or stretch. Click on it. I want to stretch it from here. I don't need it all through, so I just need it somewhere here and fix this around maybe here. Okay, that's okay. And also come to this other side again. Where is it? This one, correct. And also stretch it. Where is it? Stretch from this point now. I also stretch it back to somewhere here. Okay, so I now have my horizontal and vertical axis. Is that okay? So now I can get my shear wall perfectly. So I'll come here now, my wall. Is that okay? My wall, and I'm using a 225. Is that okay? So I'll come here now, put my 225. Is that okay? Then this place now, half of 225, what we're going to put here, which is 112.5, and also come here 112.5. Is that okay? So I'll come here now, draw this one now like this to this point. Let's wait for it, correct. Then you can see it's flushing to this edge here. Is that okay? From here also to this point here. That's fine. And also from here now to this point here. That's fine. And also from this point to this point. Alright, that is fine. But if you look at this particular one now, if you look at this particular one, what we are having is there's what? There's opening. Is that okay? There's an opening here, so we can do that opening. Is that okay? So let's first of all do that opening and let's see. Is that okay? Let's do that opening. Come to let me see. Okay, let's see view, under view, let's see the 3D. From 3D, let's do it together from 3D, physical model. Is that okay? So let's see what we are having. You can see we have already formed the shape, and it has given us what? Open web staircase. Can you see what we have now? So can you see it? Is that okay? And this is where we are having our opening. Is that okay? This is where we are having our opening. I'll click on this, right click, and click on the wall opening editor. So let's click on it and let's wait for it. Now, once it has appeared, we'll come here to and click on what? On add. And from this add now, this is where we now begin to enter our dimension and the rest. Is that okay? It has given us the idea. Can you see? Total height is this, which is a 3 meter. And where do we have a 450? Which means from here to this place, which is what? Here. Is that okay? From here, that's what we are having. So this one now, it depends on what we are having at these edges. So which we are going to check. Let's check our AutoCAD first. Let's check our AutoCAD on this wall. Is that okay? Looking at this one now, this extension. Let's say from here, from the center. Let's see what we have from here to this place is a 113. Am I correct? 113. 113. That's what we are having here. Let's go and see 113. That's what we are going to have on both sides. 113. Is that okay? 113 plus 113 plus 225. Is that okay? Let's pick our calculator. 113 plus 225. 113. So we have a 113 plus 225. Let me see. We have 338. So where is it? So this one will be 338. Let me click. So can you see now it has adjusted to this side? Is that okay? Adjusted to this other side. And where is this 1000? I think this one is a axis. Yes, axis. I need it to be what? Let's say 50. I want to be down. Can you see it now? Very close to down. I can even bring it down a little, make it 25. Is that okay? That's very close. Then this other one too. Don't forget, we are still going to adjust it. Is that okay? I'm going to adjust this particular place. So what do we have? Where is this? Our H. H is talking about the height. This one is talking about width. Our height should be around 2100. Let's see, 2100. Okay, that's fine. Then this H, this one is the width of our lift. Is that okay? So I'll come to AutoCAD. Let's measure from here, from this entrance here to this entrance here is 1005. So I'll come here now and put my 1500. Let's see. Okay, so can you see it now? 1500, which means this place needs to be what? Adjusted. We need to adjust this place, particular place now. So which means that let me put a 225 here, 225, and let's see. Correct. So can you see it now? So you can ask what we have. We have now gotten it. Is that okay? So that is fine. So then I will now come here now, click on OK. Let's wait for it. That's fine. So you can now see what we have. Can you see it? So can you now see it? How it has given us accurate results. Can you now see now that extension of 11 something? Can you see it? That 113. Am I correct? Can you see it now? Can you see it? So that's fine. So you can now see how we have achieved it. This one is foundation, this one is ground. Is that okay? If I click on story 0 now, on 3D, story 0, my axis, can you see now that is already at the story 0 at the, can you see it now? This is my axis. Can you see them? You can now see the axis. Can you see it? Very perfect. That's why I make it 25. Is that okay? So that is that. Okay. Alright, so having done this one now like this, what's the next thing now is to put our slab. Is that okay? To put our slab in this particular one. Okay, so let's see something. So this one, can you see this place? We have this one and this one also, this wall here. So I want to extend it. So I'll just come here now. Let me have this wall here, which is also this one and this one. Can you see? So very important also. Let's provide it. Let's just provide it. Let's provide it because this one is going to extend. Correct. Okay. Okay, because this one is going to be another slab that is going to carry wall. Is that okay? Can you see the wall? Toilet. Can you see? It's going to carry this toilet. Is that okay? So that's fine. And also this one is going to carry toilet, just like what happened here. Can you see? Just like the same thing we have on this other side, where we are saying, can you see? Because I don't want to rush this. Can you see what we have here around this place now? So also look at this place, the same thing we have around here. Can you see it now? So that is fine. Okay. So I haven't done this one now like this. Hope this place no more than 30 square meters. Sorry, let me click somewhere else. Right click, measure from this point to this point is what do we have? We have a 5,500. Escape 5,550 or whatever. From here also, from this point here, from this point to this point, 4,000 plus. Okay, that's fine. That's okay. Okay, so we are going to put our slab now, and every other thing we will do it. Is that okay? On this particular floor before we go to the next floor. Is that okay? All right. So haven't done that now. Don't forget we have not done this one. So let's even do this place first. Let's form this particular place. Is that okay? So for us to form this, you can see the shapes already here, isn't it? Our wall that they put here before we talk of you know, changing the orientation and all of that. So let's first of all insert this. Is that okay? So for us to insert this, I also need an axis. Is that okay? First of all, no. Let me see. Yes, we need an axis at this point, the center here. We need an axis. Is that okay? So what I will do, let me copy this one now. Let me copy this one. Let me copy this. Offset this one now. I will still delete it. Let me offset. Is that okay? Let me just put at this edge. That's fine. That's perfect. So right click and measure. Let me say measure from this point to this point is what? 450. Is that okay? We have a 450, so escape. If it's 450, that means from here now, right click. I need something like let me come in, offset it. 450 will be what? 225. Am I correct? So F2 and then 225. Enter. Okay, I have it here now. So what I'll do, I'll come here now, drag this one, stretch it. I don't want it here, just a little bit. Okay, yes, let me just say, okay, I can leave it here. I can leave this one here, but this one is too much. I don't want this one. I'll drag it. Is that okay? I will stretch it down. Is that okay? Let me stretch it down. This is where it's needed. Sorry. What do I do? Right click and click on a stretch from this point. Bring it down. Bring it down to this point here. Bring it down to this point here. Is that okay? Bring it down to this point. Okay. Since we have it here, well, I can still bring it down. Click on it. Let me bring it down. Stretch from this point here. Since where we are having it, I'll just put it here. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so I can now click on this one now, delete. Perfect. So you can always, I have the center now, isn't it? That's fine. So I also come to this other side too and do the same thing. Is that okay? And do the same thing. Right click and click on offset. Where is it? Where is it? Where is my offset? Click on this. Let me see if I can locate the center from here. Okay, I cannot locate the center, but I can put it here. That's fine. So I can now click on this, right click and click on also offset and come this other side. Press my F2 225. Am I correct? Enter. Perfect. Then click on this one, then delete. Is that okay? So you can now see what I'm having now. I'm having this one, and this one. Is that okay? Remain this side and this side. Is that okay? In order to be able to form this this one. So what will I do? What I'm going to do now is okay. What I'm going to do now is to bring this axis, come to modeling, take this one now. So from here to this point here, can you see straight? Then I'll click on this, right click and click on stretch. Let me stretch it out a little. Correct. Then click on this one again, right click and click on also stretch. Click here, take it out a little. Fine. Can you see it now? So also come here now, property, double click on it and take the property and come here now from this point to this point. Then click on it, right click and also stretch from this edge out a little. Right click, stretch also from this edge a little. Okay, I've done for this top now. Is that okay? So I can double click on this. Is that okay? And then hide it. Click on hide, update. Is that okay? That is fine. You can see it here. We have it here, isn't it? So I can also come here again, double click on it. Is that okay? And also hide it. Then come here, click on this, That's fine. Then I'll come here now, click on it, right click, I take the property, where is property? No, yes, property of this. I'll come here now, from this point to this point, you can see. Then click on this, right click, and click on stretch from this point out a little. Okay, click on this, right click, and click on also stretch from this point out a little. That is fine. So also come here now, take the property of this from this point here to this point. You can see it's very straight. It's okay. Click on it, right click, and also stretch from here. Let's take it out. Right click again, offset, sorry, click on it, right click, stretch from this edge to this edge. That is fine. So now it's not for us to have our wall. Is that okay? I can try to take this, or I come here and click on wall. Is that okay? Because it's what wall we are having here. So the width is what? The width is a 450. My width is 450. I'll come here now and put my what? 450. 450. I'll come here. The half of it is what? We are talking of that's 225. And come here also 225. Is that okay? And then come here now at the center here. Come here now and fix it here. Correct. Okay. Now it's not supposed to extend. It's not supposed to extend. So what do? Let's make this one instead of let's make 0 0, then update. That's what we have. Okay, it's not giving us. Okay, what we are going to do now, what we will do now, let me escape, or let me undo it. So this one now, click on this, right click, and come here and click on offset and bring it down F2 by minus 225. Is that okay? 225. Enter. Correct. So click on this, delete. Perfect. So I'll come here now. So you can see your ability to think is very, very important. So come here, offset, and take it up by what? Press your F2. That's 225. Enter. That's fine. Click on this, delete. Is that okay? So I'll come here now, also click on this, right click, then offset up F2 by what? 225. Enter. Then come here, delete. Alright, come here also, finally right click and offset and bring it down by what? By F2 and press minus 225, and then click on what? On enter. That's fine. Escape, and then click on this and then delete. So now that I have done this one, now come here and pick my wall. Pick my wall. It says what? 450. That's 450. Then half of it was what? 225 and also 225. And once that is done, I'll come here now, click on this one, and come here and click on this. What happened? It flushed. Can you see? Perfect. So I also come here now, from this point now, this center here to this center here, click on it. What happened? Flush. That's fine. So you can ask what I have now. So I'll now come here now, pick my beam, click on this, right click property, or you double click anyone that comes to your mind. From this point, I'll take it into what? Into this. It's like I'm not using this, because this axis for the center of this, but this is what I'm using. Is that okay? Alright, that is fine. Escape, and come here also, do the same thing from here, and also I have it here, inside here. Correct. So I will now click on this. Is that okay? So now, having done this one out like this, we also need a beam here, definitely, because you know why? If I check our AutoCAD, can you see what we are having? You can see what we are having here. You can see there's a what? This wall. Where is it? Okay, can you see what we have here? And since we are having this one here, we are going to be having another beam here. We cannot just run a cantilever from here like this, standing alone. That's the ability to think now. We must have a beam that will connect from here to this place, so that we'll be able to have this beam running. Is that okay? And we also have this, and then our column. Is that okay? Our column will be able to now stand on top of that beam. Are you getting my point now? And it's around this point. Can you see? We are going to have it around this point, so that is fine. I'll come here now. So I'll come here. I'm going to use this. Is that okay? I'm going to make use of this particular one. So I'll take my property. Because of the length also is long, I'm going to be using a 600 for now until we design after loading and everything. So 600 is that okay. I'll come here now from this point. Now I'll take it from the center here, from the center here to the center here. Is that okay? Oh yeah, no, I'm coming. Escape, delete this one, delete this one. Okay, there we have correct. Let's check here too. Okay, correct. So that is fine. So I haven't done this one now like this. Not that we are going to let's just proceed. Let's proceed. Okay, let's see what we have so far. We have done so far. So you can see what we have. You can see what we have done so far. So can you see it now? This is what we have done so far. So can you see it? So take your time. This kind of structure, you have to take your time and do it properly. Is that okay? If not, it is well. So that's fine. And at this point, in case you have not clicked on like button, I want to say please like the video and also subscribe. Is that okay? If this is your first time, please subscribe. And if you have been watching our video and you have not subscribed, please, I want to plead with you, please subscribe and also like and comment. Is that okay? Because the more you like, the more YouTube make this video to go viral. When we say subscribe, some will think that it's fine, it's with money. No, you don't need money. Is that okay? Just there's a subscribe button. As you are watching it, there's a subscribe button and also the notification bell. Just click on the subscribe button and also click on what on the notification bell. So and that is all. You don't need to pay any money at all. You don't need to pay any money. So as simple as that. So you don't need money to subscribe. Is that okay? You don't need money to. So don't be scared. And when it's come to like, you also say like button. Just click on what on the like button and that is all. Is that okay? So that anytime we release video, you'll be notified. And because you have already clicked on like button, what happened? Others will also be able to do what? To have the access, because YouTube will now make this video to what? To go viral. Is that okay? All right, that is fine. Okay, let's now see how we can solve this place before we talk of either slab or no slab. Is that okay? So let's see how we can do this particular place. Let me come to the plan. Is that okay? And let's go to our AutoCAD. Okay, from our AutoCAD, where are we having our axis? Let's come here now. Where are we having this? Can you see? Where are we having this one? Where are we having this? We need the dimension from here to this point here. Are we together? So I will now come here now. Sorry, come here and click on the CP. Enter from this edge here. From this edge here, let me come here and put it on this edge here. Is that okay? That's fine. So you can ask where I'm having it. Is that okay? So what I will now do now, I'll have to measure from this center here to the what? To the center. Let me put a line L. Enter. From here to this point, let me just put a line. Correct. So that I'll be able to measure. Is that okay? From the center here to the center of this particular place, what do we have? From the center here, can you see? Is what? It's 900. And also escape L from this point to this point. Also, I'll put my dimension from the center of this one here to this one here. This other side is what? Is a 563. Why this one is 900? Is that okay? I'll come here now. From the center here. Is that okay? Click on this, right click and come here. Where is it? Where is it? Offset, and come here. F2. That's a 900. Is that okay? Enter. Is that okay? So this one now is only for meant for this particular place. Is that okay? I might not necessarily need it up there. Do we need it up there? I don't want to have a too much axis. It's only for this particular place. Is that okay that I need this? Is that okay? It's only this place. Okay, let's just leave it. Then from this other side too, right click and come here. Right click and come here. Where is it? Where's my offset? Offset it from here to this point. You say what? 5. What do we have? 563. 563. So I'll come to this other side and press my F2 minus 563 and then click on enter. Okay, so we have this and we have this, isn't it? So these are the two beams we are having now. So I'll now come here now, double click on this. Is that okay? And then because this one too might want to be carrying that beam along this line, so the column. So let me just increase this one to, let's say 600. So is that okay? If I'm increasing to 600, automatically this one will also need to be what? 600. Is that okay? So let's just make it 450 first and see. Let's leave it at it is 450. We are talking of here to this point here. Is that okay? and also from this point now to this point here. So that is fine. So now what can we do to this place now? Is that okay? What can we do to this particular place? I don't like my axis too much, so let me remove this one. Let's just leave it. That's what is required. Okay, let's leave it like this. What else again? Can I remove this? Let's see our AutoCAD, this particular place. Let's see what we have. AutoCAD. Okay, see it here. Because of this span, let's take our dimension. Is that okay? Because from our AutoCAD, is that okay? From our AutoCAD, this particular place, from our AutoCAD is open. There's nothing here, isn't it? There's nothing here. In our next floor, okay, we have something like this here. Is that okay? So which means that what we did is just to be able to get this particular place. Sorry, hold on. This place is void. Can you see this place? This place is void. We already have this beam. Okay, yes, we have this beam. So why are we not having a okay? All right, we don't need it. Is that okay? We don't need it. As I said, we don't need it. So let me go back. Let's go back. We don't need it. So this particular place, we don't need this. Is that okay? We don't need this one. Is that okay? We don't need that. Is that okay? So and I'll explain. Is that okay? I will explain. We don't need that. So this is what we need. Because if you look at this AutoCAD, this place is void. Is that okay? This particular place is what? Is void, which means that I can now connect this one here, have a beam like this. This beam is already running. Is that okay? There's a beam running here, isn't it? Since this is a beam running here, which is this one here, can you see now? We already have a beam that is running here. Is that okay? Sorry, we already have a beam that is running here, isn't it? We have a beam that is running here. Since we have a beam that is running here, which is this one here, it has taken care of this particular point. So this place now, this one also, this place now will now have a beam to connect this one and connect this one, and that is all. This will now become void, isn't it? So that is fine. So we don't actually need that. So let's now see. We are done with this. We are done with this. So let's see how we can get this particular place. Let's go back. Okay. So from this point now, let me see. Where's my GA? Okay. We are referring to this particular place now. So let me see where we have void. So is that void that I need? Is the void place that I need? Is this void place that I need? Because this place is void. Is that okay? So I'll pick my axis. Let me look for XL, enter, B, enter. So from here, let me put at this edge here and also edge here. Is that okay? From this edge here, or let me put at the center, L, enter. From here to this point here, let me click on this, M, enter, that's move, and then let me put it somewhere here. That's the center, isn't it? So because we already have a, what do you call it, column here, isn't it? So now from this place now to this edge, what do we have? From here now, measure from here to this point is what? 1388. Come here, 1388, which is this particular one, 1388, isn't it? 1388 from the center here. So I'll come here now, click on this, right click, and pick my axis, offset F2, 1388, enter. This one is going to be a ghost. Yes, I can make it a ghost axis. Is that okay? I don't want too much columns. Let me just leave it. Is that okay? Then take this property now. Then from here now, from here, I have this. So you can now see what I was talking about. Can you see it now? So also on this other side, we are going to have the same thing. Is that okay? We have this one here. Let's now check this other side, what we are having. Is that okay? From our AutoCAD. Is that okay? So also from this place now, just click on this one, then M, enter. I'm moving it. Is that okay? From this one also, click on this and this one, then M, enter. Let me look at the condition of this point. Okay, I'll pick it from here, from this point, and fix it here. So you can use it now. So I'll now pick my dimension also. From this center here to the edge here, 1538, 1538. That's 1538, which is from here. 1538. Let's confirm the place first. 1538. Yes, it's correct. 1538. Right click and offset, and come here now. F2. That's a minus 1538. Okay. Enter. Sorry. Let's escape. So I click on it. Right click. Where is it? Offset, and come here. F2 minus 1538. Is that okay? Then enter. Correct. Look at it here. This particular one. And then I'll come here now. Take this property and come here now. Sorry, no. Come here. Correct. And then fix it here. Correct. So that is that. So this place now becomes our void. So can you see now? This one now becomes my void. So I can decide to make this one ghost axis. I beg. Let's make this one ghost axis. Is that okay? Ghost axis. Then click on it. Oh, yes, that's fine. Okay. Let me click somewhere else. Can you see now? I don't have much axis. Click on this one, property, and also have this one. Then click on this. Then update. All right, that's fine. So you can now see how we have achieved this one now. So the next thing now is to now put what? Our slabs. Is that okay? The next is to put our slabs. Everything's perfectly okay. Let's check our 3D first. Correct. So you can see our 3D. You can see that void. You can see the void. Can you see the void now that we are having here? Can you see it now? So that is that. So this particular place, in terms of this shape that curve like this, come down like this, we are still going to do that. Is that okay? But for now, let's just concentrate on this. Is that okay? All right. I plead with you to watch this video from beginning to the end. Is that okay? So now, for the loading of this place now, let's now come to slab. So we stop at this point. So I'll come to what? Yes. Is that okay? I'll click on that. Correct. So I'll come to load generator. Let's wait for it to come up. So once this place comes up now, as I've said the word, I'll click on OK. But for now, since this rise is somehow high, because we're not talking of G+3, and each of the floor we are talking of what they call it, we are talking of 3.9, almost 4 meters. That's each floor. So automatically, you see where we have a what do you call it, define combination for snow. We don't have snow in the location. Is that okay? Then define combination for what? For rain load. Yes, I can. Those ones are small distance. So I'll click on here. For life load, define combination for roof life load. Yes, I'll just click on this. Is that okay? We need to combine all of this since there is no snow, so we don't need to put snow. And there will be temperature too. Is that okay? There will be temperature. The temperature will be high, isn't it? So I'll click on what? Temperature load. Is that okay? Then I'll now click on OK. Is that okay? Click on OK. So let's wait for it, for all our combination to generate for us. Correct. Then I'll now click on what? On OK. Is that okay? So our slab property now will now come up. So let's wait for it to come. Okay, so our slab thickness, we are using what? 150 slab thickness. That's what we are using. Our cover is 25, which is okay. Then I'll come to load. On my load, we are talking of a hotel. Is that okay? Then first of all, my dead load is going to be 1.2. It's okay. 1.2. Is that okay? 1. That's for tiles and the rest. Yes, we can use 1.2 or 1.5. Let's use 1.5. Is that okay? We can use 1.5. It's okay. Yes, it's okay. So that is that. I'll come to my impose load. Right click. We are talking of hotel. I will now look for hotel. Because this one is hospital ward. Bedroom in hotel and motel. Can you see? Bedrooms in hotel and motel. So I'll click on what? On this. Is that okay? I'll click on this, which is 2 kilonewton. Then I'll now come here now and begin to insert my slab. Is that okay? I'll begin to insert my slab. Let's wait for it to appear. Let's wait for it to appear. Correct. I'll go to the next one. Is that okay? Then the next one. Is that okay? The next one. Now to reduce the length, I can just try to pause this video. Is that okay? I can just pause the video. At least we already know how to load it. Is that okay? We have chosen our load, isn't it? Just to insert it that's remaining. So is that okay? So let me just pause this video. So now this particular place, I'm trying to insert it. Can you see what it's giving me? Can you see? So I'll come here now, come to general. Under general, I'll come to this place called pick point. Pick point. Then I'll pick this point now. Yes. Then I'll come down and pick this point. Then come down and pick this point. Then go up and pick this point. Okay, so can you see now we have formed our slab? So that's what I'm going to do for to those places that are giving me such issue. Is that okay? Just let me show you. Is that okay? All right. So you can now see what we have now. You can now see how we have inserted our slabs. So you can now see what we have. Can we see? So we can see what we have. Is that okay? So now in this case now, if you look at this place now, we have to do something about this. Is that okay? We have to do something about this particular place because you can see an opening here. Is that okay? So we have to do something about that. So you can now see this place now, this particular place, that void side, that place we're having void. So you can now see what we have, how we have actually formed. So you can see it now. So you can see what we have. So you can see we have edited this place. Is that okay? So that is that and all of that. So we are, next time in our next video, we are going to proceed from here. Is that okay? So that the video will not be too long. Is that okay? Excuse me. So that is that. So you can see how we have achieved this. So in our next video, as I said, we are going to do all the projections, that's the cantilever side and all of that. Is that okay? Then we'll now proceed to the next floor. Is that okay? So that is please click on like button and also subscribe if this is your first time. Is that okay? And also comment, because of course the more the like, the more the YouTube make this video to go viral. So thank you very much. Till I see you next time in our next video. I want to say bye.